learn English with Mr. A.B. Pardhi.
Hello friends, welcome all of you in my Learn to English classroom. Today we are going to learn about past perfect tense. The verb form for past perfect tense is as to which verb had in past tense plus V3. V3 means past participle of the main verb. Then we see the structure of past perfect tense: subject plus had plus V3 of the main verb plus object. Here we use subject, we know. For subject we use noun and pronoun. Then in verb form we use had, to which verb in past tense had, and the past participle of the main verb, and as object we can use noun as well as pronoun. Let me say example of past perfect tense. I had seen a dog. Here I subject, had seen is verb, a dog is object. Now in that way you can write other examples also. You can change taken, a trophy. Raul had taken a trophy. Here Raul is subject, had taken is verb, a trophy is object. You can write the sentences in different structure also. Then we come to use of past perfect tense. The first use, when we talk about two past actions, we use past perfect tense for initial action and simple past tense for latter action. In complex sentence that containing the two or more clauses, one of them is main clause and other is subordinate clause. As here we see, when we reach the station, that is one of the clause, the train had already left is another clause. In these two clauses, we use two actions, two completed actions. The first action is reached. Second action is had left. When we use two completed actions, two completed past actions in a sentence, the learners are very confused to use simple past tense and past perfect tense in complex sentence. It is the most useful. We should know that the simple past tense used for latter action and past perfect tense is used for initial action. Here the initial action is initial action is here the train had left, and the latter action is I reached the station. Initial action is the train had left and then I reached the station. That is the latter action. So in that way, by using simple past tense and past perfect tense, we can distinguish two past completed actions with the verb form, with the use of tenses.